In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy shared folders in Google Drive. This is a handy skill to know, especially if you find yourself collaborating with others frequently and need to organize shared materials efficiently for your own use. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access the shared folder you want to copy. To do this, you'll need to navigate to your Google Drive interface. Once you're there, look for the Shared With Me section, which is typically found on the left sidebar. This is where you'll find all the folders and files others have shared with you. Click on this section and you'll see a list of everything that's shared with you. Scroll through the list until you find the folder you wish to copy. Now, once you've located the folder you want to work with, click on it to select it. You'll notice that when you select an item in Google Drive, it highlights it, indicating it's ready for the next action. With the folder selected, you'll use your keyboard to issue a command. Press Ctrl+C if you're using Windows or Command+C if you're on a Mac. This command will copy the folder, enabling you to paste it elsewhere in your drive. The next step is to decide where you want to paste this copied folder, and you might have a specific place in your My Drive into which you want to organize this folder. Navigate to My Drive by clicking on it in the sidebar. Once you're inside My Drive, you can decide if you want to place the folder in the root directory or inside another existing folder for better organization. Having decided the destination, click to open the folder where you want to paste your copied folder. Once you're in the desired location, you're ready to paste what you've copied before. Simply press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. This action will paste the copied folder into your selected location in Google Drive. This is a straightforward process and ensures that you have a separate, editable copy of the shared folder in your personal drive. After pasting, you might want to rename the folder for easier access in the future. To do this, right-click on the folder and select Rename from the menu that appears. Type in your desired new name and hit Enter to save it. Renaming helps keep your Google Drive organized, especially if you work with multiple shared folders regularly. And there you have it. You've successfully copied and organized a shared folder within your Google Drive. This process makes it easier to keep track of files and collaborate with greater flexibility. So next time you're faced with shared folders you need to manage, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.